Makhumalo was explaining on interview that Musamseleku didn't keep their promise. Musamseleku promised Makhumalo that he will never marry another woman comes from Muzumbe. But Musamseleku decided to marry Makwela comes from Muzumbe. Musamseleku was explaining on season 7 about Mangwabe's character, that Musamseleku did not know that Mangwabe, she is such a person who have got that character, because he did not know her. They are not coming from the same place. So Musamseleku says it's better to marry a woman who can come from the same place with you. Because Musamseleku, when he decided to marry Makhumalo, he saw Makhumalo, they are coming from the same place. Makhumalo maybe is the one who can build a home with. He saw that Makhumalo is very intelligent girl. When Musamseleku saw Makhumalo, he saw her because Makhumalo was always being in their area. So Musamseleku decided to marry Makwela because Makwela is coming from Muzumbe. So Makhumalo, sometimes she have to know that sometimes a person can change their decisions. You know that Musamseleku was regretting marrying Mayeni and Mangwabe. Mayeni and Mangwabe, they are not coming from the same place, and especially their characters. Musamseleku did not know that Mayeni and Mangwabe, they have got such a character to being rude, to being ignorant, those wives. That's why Musamseleku decided to marry Makwela, who comes from Muzumbe. Musamseleku, sometimes I think that maybe he was wrong, yes, with Makhumalo, but sometimes he was regretting, especially to marry a woman you don't know who is coming from far place. So sometimes Makhumalo knows that her husband didn't keep the promise. Even to Mangwabe, Macele, Musamseleku didn't keep the promise. So sometimes I don't understand Makhumalo, and now there is no reverse. Makhumalo have to accept what is done. Even with Mangwabe, you know that with Mangwabe, sometimes we say Musamseleku didn't keep Mangwabe's promise. No. Sometimes we have to understand. Musamseleku was explaining to Mangwabe's mother that he want kids because Musamseleku told Mangwabe's mother that he is not going to marry another wife. But he go back again to her and explain why he want to marry another wife. Makwela was not there at Musamseleku's life because it happened on season 6. Musamseleku was at Mangwabe's mother, was explaining. Musamseleku asked Mangwabe, we want to have kids. Mangwabe says, I can't have more kids. Mangwabe and Musamseleku, they have got 2 kids. And Musamseleku have got a vision of 20 kids. Sometimes women, we are thinking about ourselves. If a man says he wants more kids and you say, no, I can't have those kids, I can't give you kids. Look at Macele. You know that Macele, you know that thinks about Musamseleku. That's why you saw Macele support Musamseleku about the kids. Macele, you've got 3 kids with Musamseleku. Musamseleku says, I want 20 kids. Macele says, I can't give you kids. Macele, what she was done was to support Musamseleku on his dreams to marry those wives to have kids. You understand it? So I don't understand sometimes those wives why they are doing those things, because Musamseleku was regretting marrying Mangwabe because they are not, he doesn't know Mangwabe very well because they are coming far. So Makhumalo was very hurt because maybe Makhumalo thinks that Makwela wanting Musamseleku's money, what, and Musamseleku most of the time, he can ask money to Makhumalo. Guys, Musamseleku, but what he did, Musamseleku want to marry another wife and they've got more kids. But he is refusing to take care of them, to pay their insurances, to give them money. He can ask money to Makhumalo again. So Makhumalo was very hurt because Makwela and Makhumalo, they know each other. And now Makhumalo is now taking care of Makwela. Yes, we know that if Makhumalo was agreed to accept Makwela, Makhumalo now was the one who is taking care of Makwela now. So sometimes, guys, those things are very difficult, Musamseleku and Makhumalo. But Makhumalo, you have to know that a person can't keep, you know that we are human beings. we can't keep promises sometimes. Since Makhumalo and Macele, they don't get along. We didn't see Mpilo and Awongwe together. Those kids, they spent time together. Awongwe at Makhumalo's house with Mpilo. But now they stopped to do it. You know that sometimes when you are fighting, kids are being involved in your fight sometimes because Mpilo can't be at Macele's house. We know that Macele doesn't like Mpilo even at the first time. Why Musamseleku took Mpilo to Makhumalo? Because he knows that Macele doesn't want Mpilo. Because Musamseleku cheat to Macele with Mpilo's mother. Musamseleku have got a child out of their wedlock. That's why Macele doesn't want Mpilo. But Macele end up loves Mpilo because he's Musamseleku's child. Macele have got a forgiving heart. But now Makhumalo told Mpilo not to go to Macele's house because Macele accepts Makwela. And Makhumalo doesn't want Mpilo to see Makwela's daughter because Makhumalo knows that Makwela is always at Macele's house and Mpilo, she will end up so Makwela's daughter. Guys, what about that? Because you know that sometimes I don't think that is good, Makhumalo, what she is doing. Because those kids, guys, they are always too close. Macele doesn't have a problem about her daughter to being too close with Mpilo. Why Makhumalo is doing those things that she is telling Mpilo not to accept Makwela's daughter? Because, guys, sometimes those wives, they have to know where they are coming from. Musamseleku, guys, sometimes what he is tolerating to his wives, I don't think is good. Because Macele accept all Musamseleku's kids, guys. Macele accept them. He doesn't care when it comes to Musamseleku's kids. Why Macele attend Mpilo's birthday? Macele, imagine, attend Mpilo's birthday. You remember that birthday? Because she was doing it for Musamseleku, not for Makhumalo or what. You understand it? Because it's Musamseleku's daughter. Macele doesn't have a problem. Even she have got a fight with Makhumalo Mangwabe. But when Mawande was at Macele's house, Macele saw Mawande as Musamseleku's daughter, not Mangwabe's daughter. You understand it? Macele doesn't have a problem. Even it's Mangwabe's daughter, Makhumalo's daughter, doesn't have a problem because it's Musamseleku's daughter. Even they have got an issue. But when it comes to Mangwabe and Makhumalo, they have got an issue with someone, with their mothers. They want to influence their kids the wrong things. I don't think that it's a good idea. You remember Mangwabe's mother was telling Mawande that don't eat at Mayeni's house because you can get poisoned. It's not good. Mayeni, when she had a fight with Mangwabe, it doesn't mean that Mayeni, when she had a fight with Mangwabe, it doesn't mean that maybe Mayeni can do something to those kids. Mayeni knows that when she hit Mangwabe or Mangwabe's daughter, when she hit Mawande, Mayeni knows that she is hating Musamseleku because Musamseleku loves his kids more than anything. Musamseleku loves his kids. Even we saw it on Metuli. Guys, Musamseleku, he can do whatever you want to do about her kids. That's why Musamseleku, you've got a nerve to introduce Metuli to his kids. He doesn't care about their mothers, what they are saying. Because he loves his kids. He knows that he can be too close. His kids cannot forsake him like their mothers. That's why Musamseleku have a nerve to introduce Metuli. So sometimes, guys, those wives, they have to know. Even, you know that Mpilo was very too close to Awongwe. Too much. But now they don't talk to each other, Awongwe and Mpilo. We didn't see even their photos together. Guys, Awongwe and Mpilo are very Musamseleku's kids. And those kids, those two of them, are very intelligent. Mpilo and Awongwe. Musamseleku knows those things. That Mpilo and Awongwe, if guys, are very intelligent more than other kids, what I saw to Musamseleku's kids. He is a proud father when it comes to Mpilo and Abongo, especially when they are together.